Hello. Hello, Coco. Hello, Coco. Why you got a red face? What? You can talk to me? Kanga. Duke it out. Box it out. What's she doing with your sister? What's she doing with your sister? What do you say? What do you say? What? I can't hear you. What? 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 I know. Tell me. Where are you going? Where are you going? Bye-bye, Coco. Bye-bye, Coco. Where'd she go, Kanga? You don't care. Kanga, here's a good girl.